Hello everybody, I hope everybody's well and okay. Better late than never. I know yesterday I didn't manage to do a budgie and bird talk, so I am doing one right now. I know it's late, but you know, sometimes life does get in the way, and I'm able to do one right now. And I've just come across a rather, well, in a way it's moving. I don't know what your thoughts are going to be after me saying that, but I've just read online. Now, I saw this in the Sun paper about a few months ago, and what it is there was a story in the Sun saying about people in prisons able, come on Sammy, come on babe, able to have budgies with them in the cells, just like Sammy here. Also cockatiels, parrots, and even chickens. Now, we're not talking about just any prisoners. We're talking about some of the most dangerous criminals in Britain who are category A. Now, when I say category A, we're talking people who are murderers, who are rapists, and who are terrorists. Those sort of category A prisoners, which are deemed the most dangerous in prison. Now, reading about this, I mean, I'm saying I'm moved by it. I suppose to some extent I am, because all animals deserve to be loved. And, well, I mean, look at Sammy. I mean, she's absolutely gorgeous, aren't you? Now, so it just shows, no matter who you are, budgies are a good pet to have. So I thought I'd share that with you. I know this isn't a very long talk, but the reason why they're allowed this privilege is because they find them therapeutic. These are people who's probably never going to walk the streets. If not for a long time, but for the longest time. Please, I'd like to know your thoughts on this. Is it the wrong thing? Reading between the lines on the internet, there's only 3 prisons that inmates of this nature are allowed budgies and parrots and all different kinds of birds. Now, the only way that would stop is if they weren't caring for the animals properly, or if they were neglecting them. Please let me know your thoughts. Do you think it's a good idea? that this is allowed to happen? Or is it not a good idea? Please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed all videos today. Please look at all previous content and videos as you may enjoy them. Thank you very much for watching. If you feel I deserve a thumbs up and a subscription, please do this, as it means so much. Thank you to all my current subscribers and hope future subscribers. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your night. But from Sammy and me, good night, and hopefully we will both see you tomorrow. Okay then, see you soon. Bye.